So today I'm in Pennsylvania and I happen to see a Harley dealer. I'm going to stop in and check it out. Brian's Harley Davidson in Pennsylvania. See what we got.
Yeah, it's definitely better than my radio that I have now.
Okay, so I just left Brian's Harley Davidson in Pennsylvania and Langhorne, Pennsylvania. Very friendly inside, nice store, well stocked, a lot of selection. Tried on a couple of modular helmets. Don't know if I want one of those not yet. I ride a half helmet right now. Picked up a t-shirt, of course, a hat, baseball cap, and of course a poker chip. And I've added to my collection. So now I have probably in a month 7 or 8 t-shirts, 2 hoodies, and a nice Harley jacket. So having all the Harley t-shirts and jackets and all doesn't make me a rider. I got to keep practicing, and I plan on doing that. Again, obligations keep me from getting back on the bike, but I do have plans to go out this Saturday. Maybe a long ride with a good friend or two, and hopefully it'll be a good day. Gotta hope for the weather stays nice and maybe a little chilly, but hopefully it should be a good day riding. Owning a lot of Harley clothing doesn't make you a better rider by any stretch of the imagination. What it does do is starts a conversation when you walk into a store and you're wearing a shirt or a hat, and it kicks up a conversation with a fellow biker who sees it, notices it, and starts talking to you. Before you know it, you're invited on rides with other guys and you learn a little bit more, and you get to travel a little bit more, you get to ride the bike a little bit more. And that's what I'm doing. I'm meeting a bunch of guys all over the place. I've been invited on a bunch of rides, and I haven't taken them up on it yet, but I will. And it's all because of t-shirt that says Harley Davidson on it. So, although I've wanted all the Harley gear for a long time, I understand it's not making me a better rider, but it is bringing up the conversations that lead to more riding, more guys to ride with, and more good times.